Hey everyone, if you're trying to export a project in Uizard AI and keep getting an export failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Uizard AI export problems in 2026. First, refresh the page and try exporting again. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt the export process and prevent Uizard from generating the final file. Next, check your internet connection. Since Uizard is a cloud-based platform, a weak or unstable connection can cause export requests to fail before they are completed. Another common fix is making sure your project has finished saving and processing. If recent changes are still syncing in the background, the export may not work correctly. You should also update your browser to the latest version. Older browsers can create compatibility issues that affect exporting and downloading files. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with web applications and cause unexpected export errors. If you're using ad blockers, VPNs, or privacy extensions, temporarily disable them and attempt the export again. Some browser tools can interfere with cloud-based export functions. And that's how to fix Uizard AI export failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, updating your browser, reducing project complexity, or waiting for processing to finish will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.